इस नीच का सबसे बड़ा चैनल 8 मिलियन से ज्यादा सब्सक्राइबर्स के साथ चल रहा है और उनके टॉप वीडियो पर 25 मिलियन व्यूज हैं। अगर आप सोशल ब्लेड पर एक नजर डालोगे तो देखोगे कि ये चैनल सिर्फ टिका नहीं है बल्कि मनी प्रिंटिंग मशीन जैसा चल रहा है। तो अगर आप भी कंटेंट क्रिएशन में कूदने के लिए तैयार हो और भीड़ से अलग दिखना चाहते हो तो आप सही जगह पर मेरे साथ रहो और मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा कि किलर व्हाट इफ वीडियोस कैसे बनाते हैं।
Imagine waking up one morning ready to tackle your to-do list only to find out there's nothing to do. Zip, nada. Not because you've become a productivity guru, but because AI has swooped in and taken over your job. And not just yours, everyone's. Welcome to a world where artificial intelligence runs the show. Let's paint the picture. AI isn't just some annoying coworker who never takes a sick day. No, AI has become the ultimate employee, never needing lunch breaks, sleep, or those suspiciously long bathroom breaks. From flipping burgers to performing heart surgery, AI does it all, and it does it perfectly, without the water cooler gossip. Now, you're probably wondering what happens when everyone's out of...
Here's the twist, ये पूरी वीडियो जो आप देख रहे हो वो भी AI टूल से बनाई गई है। जी हाँ, स्क्रिप्ट से विजुअल्स, नरेशन तक सब कुछ AI ने किया है। और मजेदार बात यह है कि इस व्हाट इफ वीडियो
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you can get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I won't get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing,